cabin 14256M. This is a solo insider cabin. If you're cruising on your own, this is more than what you need. Nice little cabin. This is a bit bigger than a twin bed. Nice little bed area. You've got some reading lights, television, ahoy, mirror, desk area with a little stool. Got your closet space, drawers, safe. And we'll take a quick look at the washroom. All that you need: toilet, nice size sink area, and a shower stall with a rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle. This is a wonderful solo insider cabin.